Today, we're going to learn how to add and subtract two-digit numbers. Let's get started. Let's start with addition. Here's our problem, 47 plus 35. First, we add the ones. 7 plus 5 equals 12. We write the 2 and carry the 1. Now the tens, 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals 8. So 47 plus 35 equals 82. Now let's try subtraction. Our problem is 63 minus 28. 3 is less than 8, so we need to borrow from the tens. Now we have 13 minus 8, which equals 5. The tens, 5 minus 2 equals 3. So 63 minus 28 equals 35. Well done. Remember, always start with the ones column first, and don't forget to carry or borrow when you need to. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these two problems yourself. Number 1, 54 plus 37. Number 2, 72 minus 46. Good luck. Press play when you're ready to check your answers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Learn with Curious J for more fun lessons. See you next time.